You may have seen these shore buddies at toy stores. They turn plastic bottles into dolls. There's turtles, dolphins, all made of plastic bottles. Well, they also do a lot of education on sustainability at our local schools. So during Earth Month this past week especially, they went around to several schools here in San Diego speaking with students about plastic pollution, helping them find ways to remove or reduce single-use plastics. This week they went to Central Elementary School and Francis Parker School. Here's some video of them with all the students. Then they focus on youth activism as well, and they tell the students to calculate their plastic footprint. So for example, on Shore Buddy's website, they have a plastic footprint calculator. It gives you a few items that you might use, like a water bottle. Calculates how much plastic you use daily, weekly, monthly, and then throughout your whole life to put it into perspective what one bottle maybe a week could do and how much it could add up. So it's eye-opening for students. And we know that they're part of our future to helping our planet.
And the stats are what? There's going to be more plastic in our oceans than fish in the near future?
By 2050. So
okay,
we need to stop it where it's
This is the generation that's going to help stop it. So glad they're getting that education now, and how eye-opening for them.
Yeah. And speaking